Hello, Emperor and Empresses. Welcome or welcome back to RUReadyTarot. We're going to do your daily brew message. This is your daily read. We're going to find out what Divine wants you to know today. I'm hearing clear picture. Clear picture. So you might be seeing something clearly at this time, finding out information, in search of information. Some of you could be doing some detective work, is what I'm hearing. Getting to the bottom of something. So we have the Wheel of Fortune. Things are turned around for you, but I'm hearing like the wheels are spinning. Things are starting to click within something that you're working on or something that you're doing. Okay. We have the King of Swords. You're taking control of a matter or an issue. This could have something to do with your finances or someone in authority. It's like you're getting to the bottom of something. Because when it comes to like your logic, your intellect, how you interpret things, you're really like point on. I'm hearing point on. Standing on business. So this could be a business arrangement, a business partnership, some kind of business dealing going on. I'm hearing brains and like money. So you have the brains and the operation. Somebody else has like the funds, the financial stability. But it's something going on within this partnership that is starting to click with you. Let's see what's going on. Okay. 9 of Cups. So this is wish fulfillment. But if you look, can y'all see her face? It looks like something's still missing. If y'all could see that in her face. It looks like something's still missing. So it's like an energy of you should be happy, fulfilled. You know, it's like your wish then came true, but something still, it's something unsatisfying about it, is what I'm hearing. 5 of Wands at the bottom of the deck. It could be a lot of bickering, arguing, a lot of confusion and conflict going on at this time between you and this business partner, and it's putting you in a place where you're thinking of other ways to achieve your goals, maybe thinking about splitting up the partnership or whatever this is. If this isn't business, it could be a relationship, it could be friendship, whatever it is in your life. It's not satisfying. It's supposed to be, but it's not. It's like something's still missing, because looking at her face, she looks disappointed when it should be happiness. Then we have the Chariot. So you could be thinking about moving, dissolving this partnership, this relationship, moving on. This is, with it coming right up under the wheel, Emperor and Empresses, I feel like rapid, like your mind is going 100 miles an hour on how to move away from this, resolve this, move on from this. I just heard dissolve, so you'd be trying to dissolve a contract. What else do my Emperor and Empresses need to know? Queen of Swords. You could have met someone else that you feel would be a better suit, because the King and Queen of Swords is out here, right? The Queen is right up under the King of Swords. So this is someone that thinks like you, have the same understanding as you do. And with her looking at this Chariot, someone watching your moves or what's going on around you at this time. You could be communicating with this Queen of Swords and they telling them what's going on, and I'm hearing they could be giving advice because y'all are communicating with each other. It's clear communication going on. It's like an understanding. This person understands exactly your plan, you know, what you're trying to create, what you're doing. And it's like I'm hearing supported. This person is really honest. So if they're telling you it's a good idea or they support what you're doing, I'm hearing it's the truth. So like pay attention to whoever you may be discussing issues or problems with, you know, things you bouncing something off someone's shoulder. It's like they're telling you the truth. With this Ace of Wands, yeah, you're looking for a new opportunity. You could be looking for someone that has the same passion that you have for whatever it is that you're doing, is what I'm getting. And with this Ace of Wands, it's someone coming in with an opportunity, and it could be this Queen of Swords that's coming in to give you another way or a different way of doing something. We have the Moon in reverse because something has been illuminated to you. You see something clearly. A secret could have came out. I'm hearing everything's out in the open. So you are finding out something. You are realizing something in regards to this situation. Not all is cracked up to be is what I just heard. So something isn't lining up with what you wanted, Emperor and Empresses. So let's get some more information. Okay, that was too many, y'all. Let's try that again. Let's see what else. Page of Wands. You're moving forward in a new direction with this Page of Wands. Maybe whatever this is that you have achieved didn't bring you the joy that you thought it would be, so you're on to the next thing is what I'm hearing. But it's still something about a partnership. So maybe you don't know how to end the partnership or how you're going to do the old and the new together. Because you're moving towards something else. Let's see. What else? Okay. We have the Four of Cups. So yeah, a new opportunity, because this, whatever this is you venting. That whatever you had going on wasn't bringing you the satisfaction or the happiness or emotional fulfillment that you thought. And you're looking for a new opportunity to bring in emotional fulfillment, happiness, joy. And I feel like that's what this Page of Wands is, this new opportunity. I'm hearing going back to the drawing board because I feel like this Page of Wands is you. You've been, you know, spinning your wheels on what you're going to do, how you're going to get something off the ground and moving. Then we have the Magician. So something just, I'm hearing miraculously appears to you or comes to you, and you like, okay, I got it. It's something that brings a lot of, it's something that stirs up emotions for you. This opportunity is something that's coming in right at the right time, is what I'm hearing. And with this Knight of Cups, I just heard knight in shining armor. So whatever this opportunity is that's coming in, you feel like it was heaven sent, is what I'm hearing. This Knight of Cups is an energy of just what you need at this time. Just what you need at this time. So whatever this is, this inspiration or this newfound passion, is just, I'm hearing just what the doctor ordered. So, blessings. Everything happens for a reason. When I see this blessings card, I'm hearing everything happens for a reason. So, what you're going through is, you're elevating in some kind of way. The things that, you know how sometimes when you want something when you're younger, and then you get it, and you be like, well, you know what, that wasn't really what I thought I would feel, or that's not what I wanted. That's the energy that I'm getting, because it's bigger and better things that you are supposed to be doing. I just heard cut the small talk. So let's see. What else? Final messages. Final messages for my Emperor and Empresses. Final messages. Potential. Yeah, see, that's what I was saying. Your potential is much more than what you have accomplished. So you have potential to do so many more things, bigger and better things. We have trust. So trust your intuition. Trust what it is that you want to do. Trust that this isn't the end of the road for you. You have so much more to accomplish. And we have power. You hold the power to change, or you hold the power to do some amazing things, is what I'm hearing. Something about lightning striking twice. So you've already built something amazing, but what you are about to build is bigger and better. Because see, this lightning striking in this one, so this, what you built the first time was something small. It was big, but not compared to what you're about to do. So you're about to do something amazing, Emperor and Empresses. We have focus at the bottom of the deck. Just remain focused on the task, and the task at hand, what you want to accomplish, because you're about to strike gold. I don't know why this mountain at the top looks like gold. Once you get to the top, you about to see some things. And you about to show some people some things. So let's see. Letters and charms. I heard mountain top. Mark Tyler. That could be your first and last name, or somebody's name is Mark and Tyler. So we have MT, KD, and O. We have Kamisha, Octavia, Olivia, Olive, Dorothy, Dottie, Monty, or Milton, Tish, Tiffany, Terrell, Donald, Dennis, Derek, Devin, Diane, and Dana. That's your message. If it resonates, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Let me know how. Thank you all for joining me. I love you all. Thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate your support. And until next time, be blessed.